Hi, let's discuss about delete beginning operation in a doubly linked list. So the input for this operation will be a list, and we have to remove the node that is in the first place, and we have to return the data that is present in the particular first node. That is, if we are given a list like this, we have to remove the node that is bearing the data as 12, and we have to return 12. And in case the boundary conditions that we have to consider are, first case is when the list is empty. If the list is empty, then we have to indicate failure to the callee function. Since this function is returning a value, we can have a global error flag, and we can use that to set the failure. And the second case is when there is only one node in the list. This is a special case as we have to make head and the tail as null. Both of them have to be made as null. So we have to consider that as a separate case. That is when there is only single node in the linked list. And other cases are general. What we have to do is we have to have a temporary pointer and make it to point to this particular node and move head to the next node, and you can have a data which can be assigned temp data. We have to free the memory. In C language we can use the free function to free the memory, and then we have to return the data. Let's formally write the algorithm. Input is the list, and we check in step 1. If the list is empty, we indicate failure and return -1. And in the second step, if data equal to data, we are making data equal to data part of head, and then checking whether there is only one node in the list. That is when head equal to tail. This is how we can check whether there is only one node in the list in a doubly linked list. In that case, we have to free the memory pointed by head, make head and tail as null, and we have to return data. If there are more than one nodes, then we are going to make temp to point to head and move head to the next node, free piece of memory pointed by temp, and return data. Let's implement this algorithm. So in the header file, I have declared the global error flag. In C, we do not have boolean data type, so we are just using integer, and to indicate that it is false, we are storing 0 first in it. And then I have also declared a function is single node, which will take the list by value, because this function is not going to make any changes, or so it is just going to read the data. So I have made it as pass by value here, and then I have added the declaration for delete beginning, for which I have passed the list by address. Now let's first of all write the is single node function in the C file. And how is single node should work is, if head equal to tail, we should return true, and false otherwise. We can simply use the boolean expression for doing this. We can just say if L head equal to, no need of even if, we can just return L head equal to L tail. It's a boolean expression, so we will get either true or false as the return value. So appropriately it will be done. We need not take the pain of checking if L dot head equal to L dot tail, return 1, otherwise 0. No need to take care of that. No need to explicitly write like that. We can just give this, it will be taken care. And next is the delete beginning function. We have to declare a pointer, temporary pointer, and then we have to declare D for data, storing the data. So first I am checking if the list is empty. So we can check is empty of star L, because it will require to pass by value. Here we are getting it as address. In that case, we have to we have to do two things. One is setting the global error flag. We should be careful. Delete error flag equal to 1, and we have to return -1. Okay. So in the beginning of the function also, we have to reset the delete error flag. It's important, otherwise we will be in trouble. And then what we are doing is D is equal to data part of head, L head data. And then we are checking whether there is only one node. So if is single node, that also expects you to pass it by value. So just give star L and start the loop. outlook, start the body, and we have to free the memory pointed by head, free head, and you have to make head and null, tail as null. Okay, so head equal to tail equal to null. Okay, and you have to return the data. Data is in D. Return D. Yes, done. Okay, and otherwise what we have to do, we have to make temp to point to head, right? So temp equal to head. Where is head? Head, this is C, so head is here. Similarly here also I should use L dereferencing operator. I cannot simply say as head, I will get compilation error otherwise, so I have to do this. Okay, and move head to the next node. So we have to tell head equal to head next. Tell head equal to head next, and then free the piece of memory pointed by temp, free temp. Okay, and return data, return D. So, and in the application file already I have written it. What I am doing is I am inserting 3 values using insert and function. So the list will contain 1, 2, 3, and then I am calling the delete beginning function here, and then checking if delete error flag is set. If delete error flag is set, I will print deletion failed. Otherwise I will print the element deleted is that particular element. Also I print the list after deletion and as before deletion as well. Now since there are 3 values, deletion will not fail, and you will see that it should print 1. Let's compile and check the code. Yes, I have compiled and I have got few errors. Here I have mentioned as deletion error flag in the header file, so it should be delete error flag, and then I have got, yeah, here when I am calling in main, it's C programming, so I have to pass the list explicitly. I have missed that, so that is also done now, and I have to pass it by address, so I have to put a ampersand, right? Let's compile and check now. It's telling head 149. Yeah, here, yes, here I have to tell L head equal to L head next. Okay, so compile. Okay, multiple definition of error flag. Let me check it. Yeah, 1 minute. Oh, the problem is I have put it outside the macro. It should be inside. We are including the header files both in the C file as well as in the application file. That's the problem. So let me relocate it and check the code. Okay, still I am getting it. Let me check it again. Yeah, we have to actually use extern storage class. We have to tell here extern int deletion error flag, and here only I have to tell delete error flag int delete error flag equal to 0. There we should have only the declaration. I hope now it should be rectified. Let's see. Yeah, so let's check it. Okay, so now list before deletion is 1, 2, 3, and element deleted is 1, and list after deletion is 2, 3. Okay, so the code will be shared in GitHub and you can check it. Thank you.